Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce you to a smart irrigator link tutorial. Plug in the gateway near the router, select HWG023. Select 2.4 GWI5 and then press and hold the button on the gateway for about 5 seconds until the connection indicator blinks rapidly. Select the checkbox and go to Next to start searching for devices. Once you have found a device, please click on plus to add the device. Now add the device to your app successfully. Selecting a gateway to add the HTV113FRF watering timer device. Select Next and start searching for the device. While inserting the battery, then the indicator light will flash red rapidly. Now that you have successfully added the device to your app,